Okay, it's October 31st, Halloween. It's almost 1 o'clock. Yesterday we had half an inch of rain with standing water on the roads and some small puddles. Today we had, this morning we had 5 inches of rain. And so I'm doing some video documentation of what that makes this place look like. You can kind of see near the swing set, big pool of water over there. I guess it's not really telling. I don't know how well the video points out the amount of flooding that we have, drainage and such. For those of you who've been here to Sherwood Forest East, then you'll be able to appreciate a little bit more how much water we have here. If I can walk down here without getting my boots too muddy. To have standing water this far up the road is not normal. Let's see. It's basically the water you see coming down the road here is draining from up there by the house. Of course, the rain has been stopped now for some time, but we still have a lot of drainage because of the shape of the lands, you know, the contours and everything, how the water is and where it can drain to. So this is not so much Sherwood Forest East anymore, it's more like Sherwood Marsh East. Off to the side of the road you can hopefully see like all the standing water goes pretty far back there into the woods. On the other side, where the drain culvert is, there's still a lot of water draining into the area where Paul had cut down the, cut up the wood for the fire. It's pretty wet over there. And this road, this part of the road here, I don't even know if there's a dry spot to cross. We'll just go through it and hope our socks don't get wet too much. That's looking through the trees over towards the backdrop for the targets. Don't know if you can see all the water back there. You can see how it's streaming across the road. I don't know if you can hear all the squishy noises my boots are making. So I don't know if you can see that indentation that goes kind of like there, where there used to be a pole sitting, and now it's over there because the water washed it over there. As you can see from the backdrop area behind the targets, there's a lot of water back here. A lot of water. Looks like the hay bales that were over there on that side are pretty much gone. The other ones back there are still pretty good. The fire pit has become a fire pond. In truth, I think it's a seasonal pond and it's rainy season, so it's a pond now instead of a fire pit. And it drains off over that way into the neighbor's area. Don't know if you can see it in the picture. There's some charcoal bits right here that have washed up from the fire pit over there. So I know that the water level had gotten over the bank and carried them over here. Don't know how much further. This area up by the shed stays pretty good because it's higher. But you get over into the area that Paul and I opened up for parking. And you can see it's pretty flooded. You would not want to park in there because you will not get out without the services of a tow truck. Now we're getting into the area that we were going to have for camping. You can see it's pretty flooded as well. Maybe we should go into rice farming. It's pretty flooded. Get over here to where the rocks are for the to shoot at the deer, and they're almost underwater. I can't even get to where the deer is because that is several inches of water all throughout there. And I can't get around this side. So yeah, we got quite a lot of water sitting here. I am gonna try and get out with the car. The car is all-wheel drive to get down to the Bastrop Halloween thing. I'm getting ready to leave so I can go help set up with that. But this should give you a pretty good idea of the water we have here at Sherwood Swamp East. Later.